no omelet can be created without eggs. That much is obvious. So I'm doing this all one-handed, so just bear with me. There we go. Oh, and look at that. We got 2 eggs. Actually, there's 3 left because some people just put the shells back in there. What? Very nice. We got 2 eggs. Now we're gonna come over to here. Let's see. It's not here. All right. We're gonna get a bowl. This is a classic bowl. Crack our eggs. I'll be right back. Little handy dandy film tool, so you guys can see me just cook a little easier. All right. First things first, we gotta crack these eggs. Now, I'm not the best cook, but I do try to enjoy myself. Nice. See, it's okay. For now, we'll just leave that there. Number 2. Oh, that's nice. Yep, that's a good crack. That's the kind of crack you want. All right, I'll be right back. All right, next up. Now, maybe seem a little unconventional, but the recipe I use involves a tablespoon, of a little water just to fluffen up the omelet. See, it's too strong of a stream. Go right there. Nice, nice and steady. That should add a little fluffiness. That's pretty good. Now, you're gonna want a good pinch of salt in there. That should be good. I'm a big pepper guy. If you know the Elas, you know we like pepper. That's good. We're gonna put this aside for a little while we cut apart the other ingredients. Now we've got the meats and the onions. I'm a pretty simple guy. I don't like to make it very complicated. Okay, one more. One more. This meat is fantastic. That looks good. Now we'll just get a little. That's enough onion. All right, ingredients have been cut. Phase 2, the mixing. Now, we're just gonna do this as an omelet. You really want to get this mix good. It's very important. Just like that. Yep. Won't make you walk. All right, this feels pretty mixed to me. We're gonna incorporate the other ingredients, just like so. Nice. Now you're gonna mix those in too. Oh shoot. Looks good. All right, I gotta give you a disclaimer. The small pan I normally use is not found, so we'll see if we can do it in this. I'm quite curious what's gonna happen. We need butter. So you're gonna first just slap the butter on there at in between low to medium heat. We've got our spatula. Just gonna push this around here and there until it fully melts. All right, now that our butter has melted, you can go ahead and just drop your mix in there. That looks great. And then let it sit for a little, get a good cooking going. Just the heat isn't that high, so it's gonna go a little slower. Now I'm doing this with a bigger pan, so I'm not sure if it's gonna work out the same, but you let it sit for a little, and once the edges really start to form and close, you can bring it over like that. But here's the problem, I've never done it like this, so this is not working out well, guys. This is not looking good. I'm getting a little nervous, and oh gosh. Well, I mean, I guess it sort of looks like an omelet. Jeez. Clearly cannot be done with such a big pan. No omelet is complete without cheese. We're gonna do our best here to make this work. It doesn't seem like it's cooked all the way through, but you know, you can't always have it exactly how you want it. Sometimes you gotta compromise, and that's exactly what we're gonna do today. So you're gonna take just that, oh, it's getting a little hot here. Take that. We're gonna flip this puppy over. You know what? That does not look too shabby. We're just gonna let that sit for a moment, let that cheese melt, and then we'll be good to go. Looking pretty good to me. We're gonna sauce this over to the plate. Just do a quick 1-2 slam. Yup. Oh yeah. That's great. Now how about that? Am I starting my own restaurant or what? Now we're gonna go ahead and just eat a little bit of this goodness. Should be pretty good. No omelet is complete without the hot sauce. Just gonna douse that on the side though. I prefer to dip. See you guys when it's done. Alright guys, if you're wondering, it tasted really good. We're all done now. Just gonna clean up and then see what else the day has to offer.